Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see already in the title, I will be doing another Louis Vuitton unboxing. So I finally got my hands on the mini pochette monogram and we're gonna do unboxing because I literally waited 5 days for this one. Actually I waited, yeah, because I received this last Monday. I ordered this around 16 last week of Thursday, I believe, and they ship it the next day, which is the 17th. So I received it on Monday, which is the 20th, so it's like 4 days shipping. But anyways, so this is the box. I throw away the box that comes with already because it smells like Lysol. So anyways, comes with this, and we all know this one comes with thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. There is exchanges and returns if there's something going on with the bag, or if you don't like it, if it has a smell, or if there's a scratch, then you know you can send it back. It comes with the prepaid already, and let's see, I think this is the receipt. Yep, this is the receipt. Anyway, so I ordered this bag around noon. Yeah, around noon to almost 12 o'clock. So I believe I've been seeing they've been restocking the mini pochette around 11 to 12 noon, or almost like 1 o'clock. And then I also see a lot of people telling me, or some of my subscribers telling me, the DMA, like they restock again the mini pochette around 3 to 4 p.m. ish. It's Eastern time, not Pacific Standard Time, Eastern time. And also there's one subscriber, she DM me, she said she finally got the Demir Ibn and Azor around 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. She's like, oh my god, congratulations, but like I would not wake up in the morning just to get the pochette. But anyways, this is the box it comes with. It has like the blue ribbon, but I took it off so it's easier for us to unbox it. Let's just unbox it because I'm really excited. Oh my goodness. So this is das bag right here. Always comes with a dust bag, just so you know, can protect your bag from collecting the dust. That's why I call it dust bag. So anyways, oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my god, she's finally in my hand. Oh my god. You know, if you've been like subscriber to me for a long time, you know I've been wanting to get this bag in monogram, and I finally got my hands on these. Like the struggle is real. A year and a half ago I've been trying, you know, so many places, so many states. I went to South Carolina. Was it South? Yes, South Carolina. When I was in California, I've been looking for this bag, but you know it's sold out, or they said it's discontinued. But now they've been trying to put all like the classic bags online. They've been trying to restock it online. So I finally got my hands with the monogram print, and it is made in France. I don't know how do you do this, but right there. Anyways, it's made in France. Let's see, let's just open her actually. Oh my god, so the interior looks like chestnut brown right there. I'm trying, okay, and I believe that's the date code somewhere there. And it has this Louis Vuitton coated fabric and mini push. This is the code right there. I'm just gonna put it back here. I'm trying to smell it because I saw another unboxing. She unboxed her Louis Vuitton in monogram, and she was complaining about the odor, and this one doesn't have any smell at all. No, no smell. So this is the zipper. Like, it's really smooth, and the zipper is goldish. The hand, this one is more shinier than the zipper. It's the same one as my Azure and the mirror band. So the band has a red interior. If you haven't watched that, I will leave all the two unboxing that I did on my channel in my description box below, or in here in the screen. But anyway guys, oh my goodness, I cannot believe that I finally have the three of them. I got the Monogram, the mirror, band, and the Azure. This is the Monogram print right there, and here is the bottom look like, and the side right there. I really wish you guys can see it. Yeah. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna do another what fits in this little tiny bag on another video, because I'm trying to film another video, like another haul. But anyway guys, here it is, the bag. I have nothing to say, but she is perfect, she's beautiful, and I cannot wait to use her. And this is actually like the zipper. There's no scratches at all because it's new. So there's the zipper. I really do wish you can see the made in France there. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.